So with that, I guess we can get to the closing remarks and the final words to Pablo.
Thank you, Sergio. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for coming. It was really a pleasure to meet together in person again. For all of you that came to the workshop presentially. Thank you also for the people that were not here but gave the talks from home, and for people that attended the workshop on the internet. It was really good to be in Barcelona despite the rain, or even because of the rain. If there was no rain, maybe the audience would have been not so good. I think next meeting for INTERSECT may be in Rome, which will be fantastic too. So I hope that most of you can join next time. So thank you for coming, and I hope you enjoyed these days.
Yes, I would like also to, again, to thank you for being here. And I have, again, I realize how much I miss this kind of meeting in the last 2 years. And again, I would like also to thank all the speakers, the attendees here, the guys that are connected from the on remote. Just to give you some numbers, so at the end we had about 42 people here and about 100 connected time to time in these 2 days. This is, well, I'm quite impressed and I'm very happy for that. And also it's, say, again, times to say thanks to all the guys that work for this. Let me thanks again all the people here in Barcelona that made this possible. So the guys at the desk, so I hope not to forget anyone. So Anna, Virginia, Alex, Maria Eugenia, Damaso, and last but not least, thank you, Pablo, for hosting us, for having us here, and we hope we can meet all together in a few months, hopefully in Rome. Okay. Thank you very much, and I would like to say goodbye also to the guys that are connected via web. Ciao.